Welcome to Mental Harmony Hub, where we explore ways to achieve inner peace and well-being. Today, we're diving into effective stress management techniques that you can start using right away to enhance your mental harmony. Stress is a common part of life, but managing it effectively can make a world of difference. First, practice mindfulness. Take a moment to breathe deeply and focus on the present. This simple technique can help calm your mind and reduce anxiety. Next, incorporate daily relaxation exercises. Whether it's yoga, meditation, or a relaxing walk in nature, find what works best for you to unwind and recharge. Another great tip is to prioritize tasks and set realistic goals. Break down large tasks into smaller, manageable steps, and celebrate your achievements along the way. Remember, achieving mental harmony is a journey. Try incorporating these techniques into your daily routine and observe the positive changes in your well-being. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on achieving mental harmony. Thank you for watching.